ಏ
ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ
ಏನೋ ಹೆದರ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
recently we visited Igudi. This is a wildlife reserve forest. It's around 180 kilometers from Bangalore. So very easy to go and come back. But if you stay there, it's going to be a very good experience. Instead of just passing through, good if you can stay there.
ನಾಗರಾಜ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ಇದು ಕಾಡಂದಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಡಂದಿನೇ ಇದಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಡಂದಿ ಬಂದವು ನೋಡು. ನಾನು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೆಗಿಯಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐತಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐತಿ, ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹತ್ರದಾಗ ಐತಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಐತಿ.
There is a jungle resort. Looks little costly, but at least once or twice you can definitely go there and enjoy the nature. These are all wild boars. We could able to see these wild boars around our jungle resort itself. When we just move out of jungle resort, we can see a lot of wild boars here and a lot of spotted deers. We are really amazed to see these animals just wandering around, eating grass, jumping then and there. So beautiful. When we were walking in mid of these animals, we felt very, very happy. In Bangalore, in other cities, usually we walk around lot of pollution, lot of noise, and many times lot of people, lot of vehicles. It's a totally a very good experience for us. Looking at those animals, the way they live, the way they play each other, too good it was. A small lake just besides jungle lodge, and we used to sit on a bench, and hours together we used to watch these animals, nature, especially the cool wind, cool weather, because we went during the rainy seasons. It's too good.
ಹೌದು ಹೌದು. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಾ 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 ಕಣಲ್ಲ ಬಾ ಬಾ
ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ ಬಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇದಾಗೈತದು. ಹ್ಞೂ ನೋಡಿ ಪಾಪ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಪಾಪ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕರಿಯಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಜಿಂಕಿ ಚಂದ ಓಡೋದು.
So the back side, which you see those kind of a staircase and a building, right? That is where elephants will be there. We could able to see lot of spotted deers, no, coming out of forest and trying to settle down near to our guest house. One after another, no, hundreds of deers. Those were coming back, and probably they will sleep near to our guest house. So it was a very good view for us.
ಕೊಂಬಿರೋ ಗಂಡು.
ಇವು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಲಗ್ತಾವ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಇವತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕೊಂಬಿರೋ ಗಂಡಲ್ಲ ಇದು.
One thing I observe is during daytime, because a lot of people will be coming to watch these animals, we will not be able to see those. Number of deers will be very less. But in early morning and in evening, very few people will be there around. In fact, when we were there, probably
ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಂತಾವ. ನೀನು ಬಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ, ಆಯ್ತು ಬಾ, ಕತ್ಲಾಯ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಹಗಲೆಲ್ಲ ಉಂಡು
just 6 to 7 people were there in that area. So a lot of deers we could able to see and enjoy.
ಹಾಯ್, ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
So one more good thing is we went during rainy season. So everywhere water, lot of small rivers were there. So really it was very soothing kind of a experience. I know wherever there is water, there is a risk of facing wild animals, maybe a tiger or a elephant. But we need to be little careful around waters. Jungles are and even forest guest house are uh, very near to each other, just besides one each other. And this is a guest house governed by, managed by our Karnataka Forest Department. They maintained extremely well. I came to know that this building initially was constructed by Mysore Maharaja around 1908.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 1908ನಾಗ ಅದು ಅದು ಈ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಲ್ ಏನೈತಲ್ಲ ಡೈನಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಲು ಅದು ಉದ್ದ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವಾಗ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಓದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಈಗ ಅದು ಆ ಶೇಪ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಕಾಲದಾಗೆ ಮಹಾರಾಜರು ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ
ಕಾಡು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಸೈನ್ಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಶಾಸನ. ಈಗ ನಂಗೆ ಭಯಂಕರ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಲಾರಿಗಳು
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು ಗೊತ್ತೇನಾ? ಮಹಾರಾಜನ್ನ ಆನೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಂದಿರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಕುದುರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ನಡ್ಕೊಂಬರೋದು. ಈಗ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಬಾರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಊತಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಸೌಂಡಿಗೆ ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆದರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಸೇಫಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರು.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅದನ್ನಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಬರೋದು ಈಗಿದೆ, ಕಲ್ಲು ಮಣ್ಣು ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತಂದು ಕಟ್ಟೋದೈತೆ. ಈಗ ಯಾವುದು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Jungle Lodge resort huts, beautiful huts. They constructed really well. These are all, I think these are all west facing. So in the evening, it looks beautiful in sunlight, especially when sun was going down. Through these trees, we will be seeing.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಹೊಲಿಸಿ ರಾಜಕಾರಣ ಹೌದಪ್ಪ.
ಇವರಪ್ಪಯ್ಯ ನಾನು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಒಂದು ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಬ್ಬನೇ ಇರೋ ಅಂತ ಸಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದಾಂಡ್ ಕೂಡ
ಇದು ಚಲೋ ಇದೆ. ಗುರು ನಿಂದು ಒಳಗೆ ಇದು ಇತ್ತಾನು ಒಳಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಊಟ ಗೀಟ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಟಿಫಿನ್ ಊಟ
ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿಯಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಎಳಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅವನು. ಅಲ್ಲ ಅವನು ಇನ್ನು ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಕೆಳಾಗ ಅವನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಗೌಡ ನೀನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿ, ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಅದನ್ನ. ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಆನಂದ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ.
ಕಾಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಲ್ಬೇಡ, ನನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡು, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ ತಗ, ಕಾಡನ್ನು ನಾಶ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಗಂಧದ ಗುಡಿ ಉಳಿಸು.
We were recalling the old Kannada movie acted by Dr. Rajkumar called Gandhada Gudi, where the movie explicitly speaks about safeguarding forest and know like animals, how to know what is the importance of saving forest and animals. Was a fun for us remembering those days, those movies. Especially at the same place, we heard that that Gandhada Gudi movie was shooted. Whoever have seen that movie, they will be able to recall this place.
ಅದೇ ಓಕೆ, ನೀವು ಇತ್ತವಳಿ ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರಿ.
Government stay, that building looks really good. When we just come out of the stay here, we could able to see lot of animals around the compound of this building. We felt as if we are moving into a new world, a animal world. In fact, we call animals are very cruel and all, but I know there are cruel animals, but looking at these wild boars and spotted deers, enjoying and sometimes running around, jumping around, playing with other small cubs and all. Looking at those, when we were walking through these animals, we felt very, very happy.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ನೀರಿನ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದವು.
ಗುಡಿ ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಕ್ಯಾತೇಶ್ವರ ಗುಡಿ, ಕ್ಯಾತೇಶ್ವರ ಗುಡಿ. department personnel, they told us not to go out of the boundaries which they have marked, especially after 7 o'clock in the night and very early morning, because there are very high chance that some wild animals, probably tiger or such kind of animals, may attack. So we were very careful. So this is one of the spotted deer which came to meet us near to our guest house, near to jungle lodge. We were very much excited to interact with spotted deer. Yeah, it has its own way of living. We said hi. I don't know why these deers will not stay in villages and cities along with human, like dogs, like sheeps. Why they have to live in forest? Nature. Nature is very different. These have to live along with animals like tigers. If they live in cities, no, I think they will be safe. Yeah, I don't know. Finally, we could able to see wild elephant also while we were driving back. So we are done. We were very, very happy.